So, Google is making a significant shift with the upcoming Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, introducing major hardware upgrades that could redefine its smartphone lineup. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of the new Tensor Mobile G5 chipset, marking a crucial turning point for Google's in-house processors. But what does this mean for the Pixel 10 series, and how will it impact performance? Expected to launch in the fall, the Pixel 10 Pro and its standard counterpart will bring substantial improvements, including a major camera overhaul. While the base Pixel 10 won't be a mid-range device, it will be the most affordable option in Google's flagship series, competing directly with the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25. However, what sets it apart is its groundbreaking triple-lens main camera, the first of its kind in this category. Most triple-camera setups include a telephoto lens, but Google faces a challenge here. The Pixel 10 Pro will retain its periscope-style telephoto lens with 5x zoom, so Google may equip the Pixel 10 with a simpler 2x or 3x telephoto option instead. This addition would give the Pixel 10 an edge over both the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25, making it a compelling choice for photography enthusiasts. It also directly challenges Apple's decision to keep a single lens setup on the iPhone 16e, further positioning the Pixel 10 as a more versatile alternative. Beyond camera upgrades, the Pixel 10 series will debut the Tensor Mobile G5 chipset, representing a major shift in Google's silicon strategy. Since the Pixel 6 introduced the first-generation Tensor G1, every new Pixel has launched with an updated chipset. However, the Tensor G5 is more than a routine upgrade, it's a complete departure from previous models. Unlike its predecessors, which were manufactured by Samsung Foundry, the Tensor G5 will be produced by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. This transition allows for a shift from a 4nm to a 3nm process, improving both performance and energy efficiency. As optimization continues, performance is expected to improve significantly. Rather than focusing on raw power, Google's Tensor lineup prioritizes AI and machine learning efficiency. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.